I always try to create something outstanding, something that people don't see every day and which gives them this wow effect. And this clone effect is a simple way to achieve this. My name is Xiaomi and I want to show you how I filmed the dancer using the brand new Mi 10T Pro and then created those clones of her. So let's get started. After we have decided what the 3 clones will be doing, I set up the Mi 10T Pro on a tripod to make sure the camera doesn't move throughout the whole shot. Then I got 4 different shots, one of each clone and the 4th one with just the background. This is also called a clean plate and will be very useful in the editing process. To edit those 4 clips together, you can now use any editing software where you can work with masks. First, we put our clean plate as the bottom layer. Then we mask out each clone and put them on top of each other. The best is also to add a feather, so the edges of the masks are softer and you won't be able to notice them. Since I filmed everything in 8K, I could now even crop in up to 400% without losing quality in a full HD timeline. But in our case, I'm just gonna zoom in a little bit to make the camera move around so it looks like someone filmed that video handheld. As you can see, editing this kind of effect can be quite complicated if you're new to this, but the Mi 10T Pro has this really cool feature called clone mode that allows you to duplicate the person that you're filming with no extra editing. You can find this option under More, then simply click on the icon that says clone, and now you can either take a photo with up to 4 clones or a video with 2 clones. You can film for 5 seconds, then reposition the motif and then press the record button again. And here we go. It's that simple. I believe that in order to find what brings you joy, you have to try as many different things as possible. So go out there and try something new. It all starts with your creativity.